All right, know your venues. It's just working on addition and subtraction of integers, and we're just reviewing some stuff from topic 1. Okay, so on this, they decided to write like 5, put the plus in front of it so you know that's positive. So this is getting used to, somebody uses lots of symbols on it. Okay, so then anytime you have subtraction, we've talked about subtraction is adding the opposite. So because this is a subtraction problem, we're going to change that to a plus sign. And then we change this number to the opposite. The opposite of -9 is +9. So this problem is really -8 plus 9. Well, -8 plus 9, right? They're really opposite, so they're taking each other out, or we're subtracting them. So 9 minus 8 is 1. We keep the sign of the larger number is positive. So this is +1. The second one just says +5 plus +4. So this really is just another way of saying 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay. This is positive, so that means we're going to keep this sign. So -9, it's a minus sign, so we've got to change it to plus -9. -6 plus -9. So these are both the same sign. So we add them and keep the sign. -6 plus -9 is -15. Okay. Let me skip down to some more of the confusing ones. Letter G, how this has a negative sign on the outside. That means the opposite of this. It's going to turn this 13 negative. It's like a subtraction, so we're going to change that to plus -13. Minus a -7, so that becomes plus +7. -13 plus 7. They're opposites, so we need to subtract them. 13 minus 7 is 5. We take the sign of the larger number, so the 13, so this becomes -5. Okay, if I jump us over to U, opposite of a negative is a positive. This becomes +15. Another subtraction, so this becomes plus -8. 15 plus -8. Again, they're opposites. So 15 minus 8 is 7. 15 is bigger, so this is +7. Okay, and let's try Z together. Opposite of a negative is a positive. So we're subtracting, so we're going to add the opposite, so this negative becomes a positive. This really is another way of saying 6 plus 12. Well, 6 plus 12 is 18. Okay? And so you would do that for the entire worksheet. So now for this puzzle down here, right? So if we look, our answer here was a 1. It matches with A. So I'm going to go look for any positive ones. There's 1. And I'm going to write A. Sorry, I make my A's like this. All right. Here's another positive one. So I'm going to write an A. Okay. B, we got 9. So I'm going to look for any 9s down on this puzzle. And there's no 9s. And that's okay. So that just means there's no B's in my puzzle. Okay. And then you're just going to go through that. So C is -15. So I'm going to go look for a -15. Nope, +15, so I don't write it. So then there's no C's on this puzzle. So that's what you're doing. So on this blank, right, -4 plus -7, they're both negative, so we add and keep the sign, is -11, which means anywhere you see a -11, I see one there, it's just like a space that's separating words, so you don't write anything in that space, okay? That is how you do you know your venues? This one is a challenging worksheet with just all the signs, so just do the best you can on this one for me, please.